Today I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name of a funnel on System.io. This is really useful when you want to rebrand your funnel or move it to a different custom domain that better represents your business. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your System.io dashboard where you can access all your tools and settings. Now look at the top toolbar where you'll see several navigation options. Click on Sites, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Sales Funnels. This will take you to a page displaying all the funnels you've created in your account. You'll see a list of your active funnels along with their current settings and performance metrics. From this list, click on the funnel for which you want to change the domain name. This will open up the funnel's main editing interface where you can customize various aspects of your funnel's design and functionality. Once you're inside the funnel, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Funnel Settings. Click on it to access the configuration options for this specific funnel. This is where all the important technical settings for your funnel are managed. In the Funnel Settings area, navigate to the section labeled Funnel Domain. This is the key setting that controls which web address your funnel will use. Right below the funnel domain label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available domain options. These options typically include your System.io subdomain as well as any custom domains you've added to your account. Select the domain you want to use from the list of options. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct domain, as this will determine how visitors access your funnel. Once you've made your selection, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your funnel will now be accessible through the new domain name you've selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the domain name for your funnel on System.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.